Let's try first time. I want to just feel the gas pedal, warm up the tires. But damn, this thing is good. This is like huge difference from what's it called? It's a big difference from oh yeah, this is a big difference. Man, wow, that's impressive. 5.1. We're gonna do right after the Honda. Who is that, man? Let's do here. Okay, let's do here. Okay, all right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, drag your reset. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh man, this is good. Oh, okay, there we go. All right. Wow. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, well it's fast, but like it's 5 seconds flat. 5 seconds flat. Let's do one more time, then take it back. .69. Da ladna. 4.69?
Yeah.
Our trap speed was over. Wow, that is a fast trap. That's very good, man. Very good. Okay, so today was we did 4.69 seconds on the wide body. 2 people in the car, rear-wheel drive. What the heck? That's crazy, man. All right, well, I guess we know how it drives now.